PartSmart Technical Support Center is staffed with highly trained ASE-certified master technicians that assist customers, mechanics, and countermen in any related product installation or diagnostic. These knowledgeable support personnel have access to a variety of technical resource databases, including vehicle-specific installation instructions, product build specifications, application-specific technical bulletins, industry technical knowledge, PartSmart knowledge base, ASE-certified technicians.
We had a customer that called with a 2000 Toyota Camry. He called stating that he replaced the brake booster twice and continued to have a hard pedal. We suggested to test the brake booster using a vacuum pump to isolate the issue. He said when he used the vacuum pump, the booster held vacuum for 5 minutes with no leak, which means the booster, check valve, and mounting gasket are good. Under further troubleshooting on the phone, we found there was debris in the vacuum hose which prevented vacuum to the booster. The customer replaced the damaged hose and now the booster is working properly.